A tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have. It is made of broken twigs. It has no roof and looks cruel. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest."
Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it and I like it. Yes, it is just like any other nest, but not better than mine.
You must be jealous of my shell, though.
My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate any other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home.
Moral: better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion. Thank you.